Meaning of dictate.
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 Dictate. Dictate can mean to give orders or instructions authoritatively, or to speak out loud for someone else to write down. The term can also refer to the act of controlling or dominating a situation or person. When someone dictates, they are essentially exerting their authority over others, whether it's by issuing commands or demanding obedience. This can have both positive and negative implications, as dictation can be a useful tool for clear communication and efficient decision-making, but it can also lead to abuse of power and suppression of dissenting voices.